Okay, so we're gonna do the new Kjesti kit. We're so excited.
The Flaawsome Talk Beauty Kits.
Yes, the Flaawsome Talk finishing kits.
The Flaawsome Talk finishing kits. Developed by Marion.
Filtered,
yes,
flawless formula. Okay, this is so exciting, and we'll talk more about why we created it and Kjesti being the amazing inspiration. I've been zooming in on all of her videos so close, micro, like analyzing everything she does. And she always looks so good. And this literally is very close to what you already do. We talked about this before. It's not like you need a huge overhaul. But, you know, I always say the littlest variation in a color can be the difference between amazing and disaster. So I curated everything that's in this kit. And the first time I put it on myself, my daughter was like, oh my God, that's the best I've seen your makeup look in so long. And I was like, ooh. So then I took it on the road to all of my events, and I can't even begin to say how great it's been doing. Everyone's been loving it. The women have been like cheering at the end of the application. So first up is the new blush, which is so pretty and wearable.
I love this. Look at that color. That is my favorite color.
It's just so pretty. It's a little bit more of a wintry kind of pink, I would call it, like a neutral, but it has just enough pop of color. And always when you do your blush, I love a chiseled angle brush. For me, it just works really easily. Go straight down the center of your nose and then just kind of feather it back. I do go up a little bit here, but that's it. So boom. Then next up, the luminizing stick. Okay, the highlight stick, I call this frosting the cake whenever I do someone's makeup, because to me, it's like the most important step. It really can lift up your entire face. So I go straight down the center of your nose. I go right above your cheekbone. And again, just with your finger, you can kind of highlight it up. You can use this right on your brow bone.
Oh.
And then here, we're gonna put it here. And the nice thing about this gold too is it's a very, like it's a clean gold. It's not orangey. I'm always de-oranging people, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a lighter gold, more on the icier side, I would say, than the warm tones. All right, and then for the finishing touch, oh my God, this is so exciting. The amazing lipstick and
I am
lip
so
gloss.
obsessed with this lip kit that
I was so excited to get it to Kjesti, and she texted me and said, I absolutely love it all. So, and again, you were really involved with the choosing of the colors all along the way. I gave her many options. We tweaked it, and this is the finale. So you can see the lips a little bit brighter than what she normally does. But, and I wouldn't even call it bright. It's just a little bit more of a wintry tone. And then the gloss.
Here comes the magic, because that is the magic.
I'm telling you, people were trying to buy it yesterday out of the kits, and I'm like, nope, you can't get it. I don't have enough. So yeah, then you put this on top, and again, it just brightens up her entire face. It also is like a rose gold type of color. I don't know if you can see it in the tube, but again, I go back to that, the tiniest variation can be the difference between amazing and disaster. I mean, we all know you can put on a color and just be like, ew, ew, ew. But anyone I've been putting this on is like, has to have it and is buying it. So one last trick I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna use my fingers because I don't have my brush nearby, but literally you can use your Q-tip, fingers, and just put a little of the blush right in the corner of your eyes. I mean, this truly is like using this kit for everything, like 1 minute makeup. And again, I'm kind of doing this sideways and sitting, which is a first. But again, if it's not perfect, you can get the idea. It just looks fresh.
It does. It really does. Now, the lighting in here makes this a little shiny. It's the lighting. So it's not the makeup that's doing that, just to make sure that everyone sees that. Oh.
Yes. That's
thank
it.
you. I
Yes.
love this look. We haven't done my eyes yet, so we will do that as
We
well.
will. We're gonna
But
go
this
on with it.
is the Flaawsome Finish kit. And
Yes.
of course, you can get it too.